Special greetings, my dear students. In previous class, we seen applying animation on text and object. In that place, we completed applying animation effect. How we will apply? For example, starting, exit, emphasize, motion. This all animations we seen. Okay, in text also, object also. Now we will we will see the transition effect. Okay, today in this class we will see once more again applying animation plus transition effect after inserting sound clip, and this all things we will see. Now again today we will see once applying animation on text and object. Okay students, now I am going to open PowerPoint. Okay, so start button, in search box I typed power. Now PowerPoint opened. Okay, now I am going to insert 2 or 3 slides which you are need. So topic, computer animation. Okay, in computer animation, now here we can give computer languages. Okay, so first GT, second GT, third GT, 4GT plus we will insert one object also. Object means it can be a clip art or it can be picture, shapes. This all will come in an object. So I am going to insert one clip art. Okay, so insert clip art. So I am going to insert car. Okay, so this car I am inserted. Okay students, in our book we can able to see applying animation effect. Okay, applying animation effect, and there are entrance, exit, emphasize, motion path. These four are the different type of animations we will do after school reopen in a practical lab. Now I will show you the animation, simple animation. Okay, on the text also and object also. Now students, here computer animation. I selected this text. So animation, there are just see. When I am moving my mouse cursor, the animation effect reflected in a text. See here, shape, wheel, zoom, grow and turn on. So grow and turn. I selected this for the first, and for the second, computer languages. If you are expecting more animation, here some more, here itself you can see the uh, emphasize, exit, more on entrance, motion path, everything you can able to see. So I'm going to select spin. Students, when I'm selecting spin, it is reflecting there. Okay, so now GT, just to see I am applying different animation to different points. Okay, in each point I am applying different animation. Okay, now see more on emphasize. When I am selecting more, so object color, can you able to see the changes of the color? See, color is changing. This is also a animation. Okay, so at last I am going to see Okay, now up to now you've seen only the animation. Now how we are going to move motion path? You can able to see the path, motion path. What is motion path? How we are going to? Path means the movement of the object or text. Here I am planning to keep a motion path. Okay, number 4, sorry 4GD. I am going to give motion path. So add animation. Here you can able to see more motion path. Just click that. Now here is a so many. So if I click heart, now this 4GT animation is going like a heart. Arc down, arc left, means based on that the which we are selecting, it is going. Now I am going to select left to right. Okay. So if you want more, I am clicking here. If you want any other place also, you can select. So I am going to select this area. Okay. So this is a motion path. Now this car, up to now we see only the text. Now we are going to see the car, means object. Just one click object, add animation, more motion path, and now right. Students, curve also you can give, left also you can give. Okay. Now car. Okay students, now we almost done the animation on text also, object also. Now can we just check how it is working? Shortcut for the full screen is what? F5. Now full screen F5. Now I selected F5. See the animation effect. So what animation we made, it is accepting. Okay. See 4 we done a cross. From here to there we done. So 4 moving to from there to here. Now at last object. Okay. So this is our animation, and after animation there is a transition. Students, if you are making animation to the text or object, it will come as a animation. Same type of thing if you are doing for the slide, it is called transition. If you want to do the transition, just left side slides are there, just one click, transition we can select. Okay, and second slide I am selecting now, and I am going to select third slide. Means in each slide I selected different. First I selected the slide. After in transition effect I selected a different option. Now kindly see here. First slide. What effect we selected, it is coming. Am I right? Now when we are going to the third slide, see this is all the effect, transition effect we selected. Okay. Okay students, I think so almost our portion is going to be over, because upcoming topics, kindly see what were topics. Inserting sound clip. How we will insert a sound clip? Very simple. I am going to insert sound in second slide. Okay. So in this slide I am going to insert sound. How I am going to insert sound? Just see in menu bar, insert audio. Just click insert sound. So when I am clicking, now I can insert any sound from my computer. Okay. But in my computer there is no any audio file at all. Okay. If any audio file will be there, no students, in my computer there is no any audio file. If you want to insert your own sound, very simple. Insert audio, insert your sound. So you can select any files from your computer. In case sir, in my computer there is no file. Okay, I want to record my new voice. That also simple. See, record audio. If I click record audio, now it is asking. Now if I start here, if I click here, it will start to record. Okay. So this is a way of inserting sound. See here they given insert audio, else record your own sound. See, insert your own sound. This only. So this all things they given in a practical, but for you it is not necessary. You can write by your own words. After inserting sound, inserting video. Same way, insert video. Okay, just right click. So when you select, now here it will show the videos which are available in our computer. So if I select any video, it will automatically be installed. Okay, it will be installed. Okay, now I am going to select this video. In this video, see how it is installing. Okay. Okay, students, actually I want to restart my PowerPoint. If I restart my PowerPoint, it will be installed. Okay. Now I saved it on desktop. So again I am opening my PowerPoint because it mentioned some problem is there. So I opened. Now I am going to insert video. Insert option in menu bar. After there is a sound, sorry, video. So any file is just select. Students, actually my path having some problem. Okay. If you want to insert, we can insert. It will be installed in our computer. Okay. See here, PowerPoint cannot insert video from the self-fill verify the path. Means some technical problem in operating system. Okay. So if you want it some, just in a menu bar, insert option, video option is there. Just select video from computer. Okay. So now this thing's over. After this, okay, using action button. Wow. Now you may think, sir, what is action button? Okay. So action button I will explain now. After action button, insert data from Word. So almost our portion is going to be over. Now see here. First slide. Okay. In menu bar insert, you can able to see the shapes here. Drop down arrow there, just to select drop down arrow. When you select drop down arrow, bottom we can see the action buttons. Okay, action buttons. So here so many buttons are there, each button for some particular purpose. Now I am selecting this particular arrow and I am drawing here. Okay. Now when I draw here, it is showing action, hyperlink, next slide. Okay. You will think why I am inserting this action button. You may think now I am going to show the practical why I am using this. Okay, two action button I inserted. Okay, students, actually there are so many action buttons are there. This all things your practical. Okay, there is a first, last and all. Okay, now I inserted this action button. Now I am going to keep a slideshow. Now students, what is the work of action button? Now just see, when I am moving my mouse cursor, it is showing next. When I am moving here, now when I click here, it is going first. It is going next slide, previous slide. Not only this, there are so many options are available in action button. Okay, these all things we have to do a practical. After the students, import data from Word. Okay, so import data means from Word means if you type some information in a MS Word document, that Word document we will insert from Word to MS PowerPoint. Okay, only that, and this is your practical. Okay, this is your practical session, and this one is very easier. Okay, okay, students, almost our chapter is over. Okay, and next class I will give you the third chapter and 4 5 question answer, plus I will upload some PDF files. Okay, and thanks for watching, my dear students. Thank you.